Peace be upon all. By the thumbnail, you all would have guessed what are we going to talk about. All around the globe, people are facing a great pandemic, the COVID-19. We are not here to address the danger of COVID-19 or the precautions that need to be taken during this outbreak, as we hope everyone is well aware of the danger and are taking all the necessary measures. It's about time that we stop panicking and view the situation from a better perspective. What COVID-19 has taught us. Lakhs of people have already died and many are still suffering while a few have been recovered. Don't you think that it is about time we start being grateful for the things in our life? Our lives, loved ones, food, freedom, and the list goes on. Now, when we are locked inside, we are being restless, thinking of the day when we could get out of our homes and lead our normal lives. It is reminding us by oppressing us for a short time of those in this world whose entire life has been spent in oppression. Have you ever thought of people in Iraq, Syria, Afghanistan, Palestine, etc., who have been suffering for years for a reason unknown to them? These people have been locked inside their house for countless years, not being able to step out of their house, fearing for their lives of being victims to the bombs and the brutal attacks. Are we not taking freedom for granted? These people are being haunted by the sounds of bombings even when they are inside the comforts of their homes. And here we are complaining of boredom. They have been deprived of freedom in their own countries, suffering from starvation, hunger, children being malnourished, and newborns being disabled. It's about time we value whatever food we have unless and until we are starving.
The COVID-19 has become a barrier not allowing the people to freely communicate with their loved ones without hesitation. At the same time, we have our loved ones beside us. This is our best opportunity to make up for all the times we were busy, to mend our relationship, to cherish them, and to right our wrongs.
This epidemic has taught that unity has power. Unity can break the barriers built by the tiny viruses that has shook the entire humanity.
Regardless of our culture, religion, race, occupation, financial status, or how famous we are, this disease treats us all equally. Perhaps we should too treat us equal.
Help each other, especially those who are old or sick.
Our purpose is solely to save as many lives as we can and not to bother about the false borders that we have put a lot of value. When we are in need of a heart transplant, we would never go through the trouble of checking whether the heart belongs to a rich or a poor, a black or a white, a Muslim or a Christian, and a male or a female. We are just in search for a healthy heart.
No matter how great we think we are, or how great others think we are, a virus can bring our world to standstill.
Just when the people are locked in, we have got to see the changes in the environment. The air is no more polluted and the animals no more eat littered garbage. We are sick because our earth is sick.
Even now, there are people who run around out of their safe zones to keep us safe. All the medical staff, government officials, health department, police, army, and those people who have become martyrs dedicating their lives for our safety.
After every hardship, there is always ease. We need to understand that this type of situation has happened many times before in history, and this will pass too.
So let's utilize our days inside our homes. Stop procrastinating and let's make our days productive. At the end of the day, we are all connected. Thank you all. Sorry if our words have offended any one of you. Hope the comment section will be of use. Together, we can fight the COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe.